Welcome to the new video of YY3568 direct current DC motors. As a fundamental electronic component in embedded systems, they have a wide range of applications. In this video we will show you how to use a DC motor on the YY3568 development board. We will configure the GPIO_CO pin as a PWM output pin. Set GPIO3A5 as a button input pin. After writing the driver and test program, we will connect the DC motor and button to the YY3568. Execute the test program. We can adjust the speed by pressing the button, demonstrating the actual operation of the DC motor. The YY3568 development board provides you with an infinitely creative platform, and DC motor testing is a part of it. We hope this video helps you better understand how to use a DC motor and inspire you to create amazing embedded projects. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.